Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. Ka Jaka Dekali ka Batamai jong ka Tata Motors. Halat ko ni Shillong. Ringkat baka net foodish. Ordar mapi Ninwan Ramani. Hakir dobiyeng jongpi.
Kaya smokeman, hadap dia kerja smokeman, aku play out, aku yang aku itu saya keren, aku jenang Pakistan, teba dan ban smokeman group nama mereka, ketika jengtri system ketika jengkerman, teba ngayai tray, teba ngayai kulipan, buat kumjuru ketika jengkersan nang ngayai misal, ngayai ipa, ketika bersama ini nikah. Nong hikai ruang sekolah ada, je ya nong hikai bersama tuition ruang maths and science ya GS nanda, je kinong hikai dalam la kelas ru kinong hikai junior, kinong hikai kita hikai nursery, yang kita nong maki kinong hikai kita la peni lat ini kumna penyukuli atau ABCD, pada nama kita train minat kita ki. Và như là bên nói chung penut untuk Henry Prakinta hanga hi ka juniper kam dalong ka ba hadu kata nama ba ladang yai minat lada hadi online dan offline group kalong ka babiang ka message jonga kalong ba nindon be ke jingkerman nama Khlem ke jingkerman ngimna ben em te ngibon ke jing e kibon ke jing e KCM ke ba mutama kalong kebengi ke perkhidmatan kalong ke perkhid ke ba nong kompetitif hadu kata ke da jing ai jimat ke janga kalong ba punya 3 minit baik jagat baja hindai debanya 3 minit wala ka ki umat kiat ko kila bani jang ba kemau susu kamu bang di umat ki belang kelam ini deban 3 minit menuju
Namdadan kata-kata ini kalau kita minat jong ini, mereka online mereka offline juga. Minat jadi minat. You can take
My name is Vijay and I'm from St. Anthony's and I am the 16th rank holder from SSLC examinations and I have recently been enlightened with this position. I don't know how I got it. It's a miracle, obviously, and I'm quite glad I got it. I'm pretty happy with the position. You see, from the beginning of class 9 onwards, we started this COVID, and there were online classes, and we were quite actually frightened of what will be the result, what will be the outcome. We didn't know what to do or what to be, like what to study, what not to study, because all the examinations were online. And even in 10, in the beginning, we didn't get as much as preparations as we were supposed to. So we had to do our level best. But in the sudden moment, in between of our class 10, we had to come back to school and we had to write written examinations, which in the beginning, to be honest, it was really hard for everyone. Everyone, if you ask the question, everyone would say the same answer. But I feel like, I don't know, it's hard to explain that how well I did wasn't just my result. It was all others who helped me, my family, my teachers, especially my teachers. Every point they've guided me through. And especially during the SSLC examinations, before it began, after our pre-promotions, we were pressured by our teachers. We were, in a good manner, pressured by our teachers that you have to do well. And for me, I don't believe like there's another option for me, because it's either go big or go home. That's the only thing for me, and that is the only thing, and that is the only saying I have to say, because for me it was all unexpected, all new to me. And in my family, it's like sort of tradition to be well prepared before your examinations. which I wasn't at all. And because of that, I feel somewhere left out. But still, my parents and my elders, my teachers, they guided me through the entire process, and they helped me to achieve the most brilliant and successful result, which is what I got.
Long prepared bet lah dah kalong offline ni dah kalong online dulu kakot ke dikejuk krek bet island kat kabafila dah fi island baru ru boleh ru unum hesitate ban ni rap fi un long la keluar bet ban ni rap fi la dah kom be si ong imes avanti si ong be anga ba God will help those who help themselves mar justru amma ba ki senran ki jong ki sei so ilang baru dia la dah ngi ibu be shan kong yu boleh kemudian ki baru ki sesuan buat teh là các tin trong play mà Matthias có ông bà là đang nghi watch live play và dia ka jing dia ka hok ko trong ki baru an sai lang tam huni dia ka ni ka jing poi jang top ka 19 position ro nganget ka de ka lang tam ka bo play ai là đang nghi sakri chon ko dia ka burong baru ka long show play ma ai ngo be play nga na do basdang krek bet kamot ka sisngi là đang ayo kata ka work lah dang ayo simut ka wei subject art subject kamera kata ko singi nga de ban develop te baro nga de ban dep kre nga de ban yulut la ka de tang skentane de ka de arkentane lai kentar tambah ka bang ayo kata ko singi de ban develop bet de ka topat kan pensuk ingi ha ka por mangilong exam pat ngim dan kam ki brio ki ong ba ni por metric te di ban thia do lai biji sa biji kam dan ka tanga ngam le kom talong bala prepare lupa na do ki por kre be arkenta skentaman man ka singum tulong ha ka por pat balong exam pat dan kam ban pensitom ya di for example, if you long be kumba should revise man lakas ni be ya kato ka ba fifi la de prepare na ado kiti for ke ba fifi la yo lat ba prepare te komta le be man lakas ni khendiat more little grains of sand make the mighty ocean more la dangi accumulate khendiat man lakas ni khendiat ha ka ba khadu pat ngin yo te so ba bang la dangi nang ban ai ummoy tu sembai bangi la de thong lo ble de ble te ubat ken tiu pat te kamu ngingi di bantrai kat bangila na la dia bat ka cingken tiu pak kasawan no blek